what's up guys, Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson here, okay? Thank you for tuning into my channel. For today I'm going to show you some licks you're going to apply when you're playing some Highlife songs, okay? When you're improvising on Highlife progressions, okay? I want to do the lesson in the key of, let's do it in the key of G, okay? Okay, so most time a lot of people don't actually know how Highlife being improvised. Okay, most time Highlife have some typical licks. Okay, that when you improvise with them, it bring out some Highlife tones and Highlife melody. Okay, stuff like this. Okay. So, if you know that this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, so what's up guys? Let's go straight into the video. Okay, this is the key of, this is the key of G. For most of you that are not familiar with the key of G. Okay, that is the key of G. So we have the key of G here, okay? We have it here. Okay. That is the key of G, okay? So you know normally Highlife is always been played with the 1, 4, 5 progression, okay? Okay, so in most cases when you are soloing Highlife, you can apply licks like this. Okay, so what I'm playing there is you can start from your so mi va re, okay? So mi va re mi do re ti do la ti so la fa so mi va. Okay, when you play so mi va, you hold your va chord. Okay, adding your minor 7, which is your more. Then go to your saw chord. Okay. Okay, I think with that it's gonna sound better when you're improvising on Highlife tone. Okay, so the second one is you play something like this. Okay, so that one is from you start from your mi fa sol ti do re. Okay, mi fa sol ti do re. Sol la sol la. Okay. Sol la re mi fa re mi fa. Hold your va chord. Go to your saw. Okay. So those two licks there, okay, riff there is always nice when you're improvising on Highlife tune and Highlife section. Okay, I believe those two licks are gonna sound nice when you apply them as a beginner in your playing. Okay, all right, guys. So I'm going to move from the neck now to the next level. So If you know that this video has helped you, share, comment, like, and share to other people to benefit also as you. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye.